Senators passed the Road Traffic Amendment Bill 2019 this afternoon. Leader of Government Business in the Senate, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, the Honorable Carl Bethel, led off the debate on the legislation which will make it a crime to use cell phones and other electronic devices while driving and make it illegal to drive with open alcoholic beverages. Once law, failure to produce a driver's license on the request of a uniformed officer could lead to an arrest, and it would be criminal for a driver not to produce his or her name and address and that of the vehicle's owner or a certificate of the vehicle's insurance. Senator Bethel, along with Labor Minister Senator the Honorable Dion Fowkes, supported the bill.
At the end of the day, the full participation and the full performance of our civic duty is something that none of us should object to, because in performing our civic duty, we enable those in authority to have the ability to do other things with the fines that we owe having been paid, things that will benefit the wider community as well.
Hopefully these amendments will save lives. Using a cell phone in a car these days is a big problem, and it's very addictive, and I know it's very easy to do. But we must discipline ourselves.
Leader of Opposition Business in the Senate, Senator the Honorable Fred Mitchell, says too many people are being killed in accidents. He says while the Progressive Liberal Party was concerned that some components of the legislation could be abused, the opposition supports it if it means saving lives.
The problem is that not only is there a public expense associated with these road traffic accidents, because they end up mainly being public cases, mainly being in the public ward, so it's always a public expense, not a private expense. So there's that issue. But the other problem is it is actually killing the future of our country. You've got young males, in particular, between the ages of 18 and 30 years of age, bear the brunt of these accidents.
I believe that these amendments are a step in the right direction. And we believe the suggested amendment that is about to become, that we will present at the appropriate time, is a good amendment